Hi, Ally has just partnered with a new brand called Keep Going First Aid. And I was at first extremely excited because it's perfect as a caregiver. Everywhere you go with your loved one, you have this incredible kit. But also, I'm about to be a mother, and now I can't even imagine what I was even thinking of planning on doing before. First of all, they come in different designs, and this is clearly aimed at a nurse, but they have designs that are really sophisticated looking, which I love. I love the how it can be just, carried like this. And it's also just super cute. And very compact. So I have now opened this baby up, and here you can just begin to see the endless items that you may never have even thought that you needed, like first aid burn cream, anti-itch cream, sting relief, all put in this compact, just lovely, organized bag. Ibuprofen, non-aspirin, and some of these adorable freaking Band-Aids. How can you not want to carry this with you everywhere all the time? Look at this level of specificity. We have a tick remover, safety pins, Q-tips, tweezers, scissors. You do a 5-second button. Nail file. Didn't even know that was in there. And we've got more adorable Band-Aids, antibiotic ointment, hand sanitizer, lip balm. Oi. And here are bandages that, I wouldn't know to have. The butterfly closure, fabric bandage for your fingertip, for your knuckle, gauze. Then here we have even more labeled, just amazing goodies, like a roll of medical tape, a nosebleed plug, more bandages, oh my gosh, what? Body temperature. The best part is that this company is a family, basically, and look at this content list, honey. Stainless steel scissors, metal tweezers, tick removers, finger splint. It's got everything that's in there so that you can actually learn your way around this kit. Gosh. I think this is incredible. Oh, and here's how to use the tick remover. That's just freaking fabulous. This, I love when things are organized and labeled and presented in a way that is empowering to anyone, any human, but especially caregivers. We know that getting help is not always easy, so whenever we can provide it ourselves, we are doing well.